globe to hear you sing, like pilgrims to Graceland, hear the King. No fancy moves, no studs, no chains, rock the soul.
Welcome to Indira's World. End of the year, you're right, time for Auld Lang Syne and all that. Well, they say that hindsight is 2020. In hindsight, this 2020 has been remarkable in many ways. A lot of people have found themselves, a lot of people have lost themselves. But I think one of the things I did was reinvent myself. And I picked on a passion that I love, which is food. And I love feeding people, I love watching people eat, I love cooking for people. I like the smell and everything that goes with it. So I reinvented myself with Indira's World, and I think with the help of Sebastian, my producer, we managed to get through the pandemic lockdowns, actually looking forward to something every week. And I think we've done over 35 shows now. Thanks to everyone around me, and I have to say thank you Mevero for putting together a little video of all of it, which I hope you're going to enjoy now. So enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Thank you again, Mevero, and of course my wonderful Sebastian. I think the way forward is healthy eating, exercise, mental health of course, and if you have the time or the inclination, which I know we all do, meditation for a better 2021. Well, on that note, I'd like to thank you on behalf of Indira's World and the team that works with me. A happy new year and a wonderful year ahead, and I will see you next year with health and happiness to follow. Bye bye from me.
You got it all, you got it all.